G'day, how you doing? Adam Williams here from Easy Way Photography. Here we are at Brayshaws Hut or Brayshaws Homestead, just on the southern tip of the ACT. And I've had a wander around. Again, it's roughly the middle of the day, heading towards the afternoon. The sun's getting a little bit low, and I've had a walk around, just hand holding. There's enough light to grab the shots handheld. And this is one of the favourite spots that I've found. A beautiful foreground here with these granite rocks and this almost fluorescent green lichen on them. The light's coming in from this direction. It's diffused by a bunch of clouds, so we're getting rather flat light, which is going to make the file a little easier to work in Photoshop and maybe paint in a little bit of streaky light. So I'm just going to jump in there and grab a few frames, just hand holding as I said. Probably not the best view that you're going to get of me taking these images because you're going to get my backside pretty much, but apologies for that. I'll jump in there and get a few shots. And you might have heard me reel off a series of shots then. Even though I'm hand holding, I'm quite close to these rocks here, and I probably should be on a tripod because what I was doing then was winding through the focus range so I can focus stack later if need be. So I was basically starting at infinity there, and each click I would just roll that focus ring away from infinity. Okay, so the focus plane gets a little bit closer to me each time, and if I need an extra image for the foreground, one of those images will cover that for sure. So I'll do a couple of those just to make sure I get the shot. The sun's gone right behind the clouds now, so we're getting this really beautiful flat light, which is great for me. I love it. It's a very creative type of light because I can manipulate it in any kind of direction I like and paint the light in and the shadows in wherever I like. So I'm pretty excited about that. Of course, for a midday shot, you know, you usually don't get the best light at midday, and this is not great light, mind you. Okay. Now, of course, you might see the odd car pass through there, and there's a few people in the background, so I'm going to have to use the clone stamp just to remove those people because I want this scene to remain. I want the story to be about isolation. This is one of the old pioneer huts here, the Brayshaws Homestead, and there's nothing really around here for miles to come, or there wouldn't have been in the day. So I want it to be all about isolation, the single little lonely house on the hillside, if you like. Just while we've got this light, let me grab one more set from a slightly different angle here. Okay, I'm pretty confident that with all of those shots that I've taken now, that I'll have one of them that I'll be really happy with that composition. I didn't change much any of the time there. I'm pretty happy with this location and foreground. Just slight little tweaks either side, and then those focus stacks to make sure if I need extra detail in the foreground, I'm going to have another image on camera for that. I hope you really enjoyed shooting with me at Brayshaws Homestead in the lower part of southern ACT. Thanks for watching along, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.